Very good approach.
Yo.
Really pinned Oladikova
Lupit.
back.
Emma. Cute ni Emma. Ang ganda ng kalaban niya. Lupit din ang kalaban niya. Astig yung kalaban niya. May tattoo eh. Pak! Boom! Pak! Boom! Boom! Pak! Boom!
And she knew
Woo!
it as soon as he left the racket.
Astig yung kalaban niya. Ang ganda ng tattoo. Tattoo. Pak! Pak!
Flatness on the backhand.
Wow.
Did the trick there for Oladikova.
Ganda. Pagandahan ah. Parang beauty contest din to. Parehong maganda eh. Yung isa astig. Ang
Goes
ganda ng
away.
tattoo.
Emma Raducanu, the top seed in Cluj.
Boom! Boom! Boom!
That volley so deep.
Lupit! Boom! Pak! Boom! Pak! Pak! Boom! Boom! Papapak! Boom! Wapak! Boom! Boom!
But this one she does take.
Parehong maganda. Wow! Boom! 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 Pak! Boom! Wababak! Brut! Brak! Bratatatat! Bam! Oh, boom! Blakak! Palakakakak! Pak! Pap! Boom! 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 Wababak! Pak! Oh!
You have to be kidding
Wow!
me.
Astig
And
yung
it's
tattoo
a
niya oh.
point.
Astig yung tattoo. Ang ganda. Ganda ni Tisay. Parehong maganda. Woo!
She was
Oh.
so very close to taking a set against a Grand Slam winner in Melbourne. Oladikova, she's done it in Cluj. Comes from a
Ooh.
breakdown as well. And as a result, in this tantalizing semifinal, we are going to a third.
Pak! Boom! Boom! Pak!
Popped into the
Ay.
open space.
Oh, lupit yung laban. Ganda ng laban. Pak! Boom! Pak! Boom! Pak! Boom!
We're still not officially through.
Score! Score! Oy, ganda ng laban. Boom! Pak! Boom! Pak! Boom! Wapak! Basuka! Boom! Boom!
All three of
Oh,
them.
pakawala ng basuka si Idol. Boom! Pak! Wapak! Boom!
That was too much.
Wow, lupit.
Under severe pressure. She had
Do! Oh! Oh!
after her heroics in New York.
Wow!
In 2021, Emma Raducanu is back
Series!
into a final. Indeed, a second
Wow,
career
parang maganda
final
oh.
goes her way
Ganda ng laban.
after this tremendous battle
Congrats!
against Alexandra Oladikova. The smile is still on her face as well in her first career semifinal. But it's Raducanu who does take it